Yeah, hello everyone. This is the mentor Ismail again, and I'm here to quickly share with you. I'm sorry, I'm not using my video right now. Yeah, because I'm not looking fine. No, that's a joke, I guess. Helping people to see the light, helping people helping them to stand on their feet, showing them how to make money and get more opportunities from this industry we'll talk about, which is the forex industry, the crypto industry as a whole. Yeah. But then tonight I'd just like to do a follow-up video that I could have done before now, but I just want to do this. Okay. Like every day it skips me every now and then. I say, okay, I have to do this. So what is that? One of the strategies that I always talk about that I taught a lot of strategies using the scanners from Jifu, right? And I spoke about the particular one, which is the easiest, kind of the fastest, and also it's kind of precise and gives like I can tell you like 98% win rate, right? So that's the one I just want to share with you so far. I mean, what happens in the group, how we use it. Okay. We want to see how we use this in the group, right? Now, but before I go to the group to show you the results of all of this, right? Let me go back and show you the strategy I speak of. Remember, guys, I spoke about a strategy which I called using the trend wave scanner, using the trend wave scanner, trading US30. Remember, US30. This is the trend wave scanner. As you can see, this is a trend wave scanner. So using the US30 at 230. We only trade this one. This strategy is only at 230. Remember, where we wait at 230 and then we take the sniper trade around 231 and then boom, everybody's in money, right? Using this trend wave scanner, following the rules. There are rules to it. You can go back to watch that video, okay? So right now, I'm not here to present that video again. I mean, it's just for me to brag about it, okay? Now, let's look at it. Guys, this is my group. I wanted to see my group. I have a lot of groups actually, but all of these groups are like subgroup to this main group right here. We have where's the group? Team Cornucopia. Okay, this is my group here. Okay, now coming to this group, see how much money people made in a single day, and not just in a single day, in less than 3 minutes. I'll prove it to you that it was actually less than 3 minutes, right? And that's from what? From that same scanner, trend wave scanner, 2:30 p.m. strategy using US30. Now it was announced, as you can see the time here, 1:52. Okay, we went live. Now, don't get me wrong, we made money from other trades, other scanners. As you can see, these are other scanners, other trades, ideas. This is my group. It's all about money, money, money. Now, don't get me wrong as well. Not that we don't lose. I mean, there are days of losses, but those days are very few. Imagine, very few. As you can see, profit 156 USD. Those are just very few days, okay? Very, very few. But I mean, very rare. Imagine, imagine me having to say very rare for losses, right? But now let's talk about this particular strategy, right? Today, the US30 session, the US30 trade ideas, the US30 strategy using the trend wave scanner. Okay, remember, like I said, starting from this part here, look at the time. I'm giving you all the details that you need. I mean, to prove this. Look at the time. This was the banner, right? It was posted to the group, right? As you can see here. As you can see here, right? Now, what happened after that? At 2 o'clock, you see, like it has started. It got started around 2 o'clock. And after that, 2:30 came, 2:31, and then boom, we took the trade. It was a buy today. Some days are for sale. Today it was a buy. And what did we do? We bought and see what happened. See people making money, as you can see here. Let me zoom it so you can see it clearly. This person made 300. Okay, now this person made all of this one, but for the day, this person made $329 in a single day. In a single day, using Jifu, guys. As you can see here, look at what this person made here. Not much, but it's enough. I mean, yeah, to brag about. I'm here too. Someone made this one. As you can see, 51 USD, 59 USD, 8 USD. I mean 74.75. 12.12. That's about 25 or more. 16. As you can see, DJ30 means US30. 33.44.62. I mean, someone actually made profit of 472 USD, depositing 550, making a total of 969. Withdrew 145. And this all money was made from US30. Oh, at the 2:30. Look at the time. Look at the time. Now, this person from the eastern part of Africa. And that's why you see the time here was 4:33. That is 2:33 at that session. As you can see, more money. $100 was made. $14, $14. I mean, this is 15. I mean, you can just put the math together. Put the math together. Look at it. These are people making money. $115 was made here. About £7 or thereabout was made here. 38, 46, 54 USD. As you can see here, 25 USD. People making money. 133 USD. 24, 26 USD. 12, 12, 1 USD. And so on and so forth. And that's not all. It didn't end there. Go to the next group now. We have what we call the trade idea groups. The trade ideas group, right? Look at the trade ideas group. I mean, look at it. People making money. I mean, it's so crazy, right? People making what? Money. I mean, when I talk about this every time, look at it. It came in at SWOT 149. And then we were live already here. Look at the number of people on the call. At the time, 134. At that. See people making money. See people being happy. People just being happy, making so much money from the US30 trade. This is not a tutorial video. Guys, this is not a tutorial video. This video is not a tutorial video. This is a bragging video. I mean, this is my brag. It's a bragging right. I mean, all right, guys, as I was saying, this is not just, we're not talking about, I mean, just look at it. Listen to this guy.
Guys, I am currently making 150,000 naira and I'm closing this trade. I'm closing this trade. You can see how much these people are making. You can see how much these people are making.
Listen to this
See?
guy.
You can see how much these people are making. $200, $300, $400. From this account, look at how much I'm making from this account. This is what they call Jifu, bro. Don't joke. Don't play with me. Don't play with Jifu. Do not play joke from this account. This is what they call Jifu, bro. Don't joke. Don't play with me. Don't play with Jifu. Do not play with Jifu. Like
guys, I am
out from this trade now. I'm closing this trade now full time, bro. I'm closing this trade full time. I'm closing this trade full time. 932,000. Look at my profit. I made 700k, 600 deposit and 900 balance. Bro, look at this account. I made 500,000, 2 million naira deposit and backs.
As you can see that, guys. I mean, if this is not enough, what else? You know, there's this saying that goes, it's only fools that doubt proves. Guys, this is exactly what happened when you follow the right people, when you follow the right direction. You see, I'm not showing you a fiction, kind of a fiction or a Nollywood movie or Hollywood movie or Bollywood movie, whichever. I'm showing you a live scenario, something that is happening it happens on a daily basis, using this same guy. Trend wave scanner in line with US30 at 2:30, making serious money. Do you know our goal actually? Remember, our goal is developing thousands of self-sufficient traders. And do you know the best part about these traders? They don't have to be gurus, they don't have to be pros. They are simply people who are willing to make money from the Forex market. They are simply anyone. It can simply be anybody. It can be a newbie who have never ever traded Forex before, yet you make money. Do you know we have this statement we use, which is what? Jifu, making newbies trade like pros. exactly our mission. And we've been doing that, and we're doing that, and we'll continue doing that. And let me tell you guys, this happens every day. Tomorrow is going to happen like that. We did it on Wednesday. Oh, maybe I should show you that again. I don't know. I want to show you that again. Let me go back. Let's go back. I mean, this was today, right? Let's talk about yesterday. Let's talk about yesterday. Today is Wednesday, 28th, right? 28th. Let's talk about yesterday. Let's go back to yesterday. Okay, you can see you see that today, right? You see it on the group today. Let's go to yesterday, same time yesterday. Let's go there. Right now, I want to go back yesterday. I mean, I want this to be fast. When this changed to yesterday, when this changes to yesterday, then we are in, right? Okay. All right, yesterday. Now we look at the time now, 17:04. Okay. Let's go there. Let's go there. You see the same thing happen the same time. I will start from the beginning. Just like the same thing yesterday, as you can see at the top of my WhatsApp chat there, saying yesterday, right? What time was this? Okay, 4:30, 2:36. Okay, the same thing. The same thing. As you can see here, trend wave scanner. The time was closed. We went in, and then what happened? Bam. You see, people made money. I can tell you people made money. See, money. As you can see, US30, money. US30, money. 132 USD, money. $9. Very funny though. Yeah, of course, some losses, but let's talk about US30 here. Money, but you can see, I mean, for the day, I mean, look at the date on the 27th, all this were in one day. And you can calculate the number of losses, the winning. But we're talking about US30 though. US30, money, more money, $149 profit, money. As you can see, just keep on looking at this date and look at the money, more money, people making money, and like that every day. I can even go back to Monday if you want to. But of course, the essence of this video is to assure you, not to kind of harass you, but not to harass you, is actually to assure you that you are in the right path. And also, if you want to be part of this tomorrow, you know what to do. Straight to my DM, or not if you don't have to go to my DM, sorry, this is YouTube, right? Straight to my link there, or you put it in the comment section, interested, and I will get back to you. I'm the mentor Ismail, sign off. I want everybody to close the trade now. $600 made, $400, 58 euro, $200. I mean, we're going to be changing this to family lunch hour. I think we'll change the name of this to family lunch hour, because it's actually our lunch time anyways. I mean, this is something, yeah, $26, 37 pounds. So please, I want everybody to be out of the trade, no matter what, even if you go further. Well, except you know what you're doing, but that's on you, right? 100 pounds. Yeah, I'm happy everybody. See, everybody is happy. That's exactly what we want.
Yeah, I'm out of this trade.
I'm out as well, guys. So you see, trend wave, US30 at 230, right? So that's it. Kudos to Jifu, kudos to all the coaches, kudos to you members for following instructions. See, that's how it works. You follow instructions, I tell you, everything goes as planned, right? And if you notice, guys, today is what? Wednesday. Monday, it was a win. Tuesday was a win. Wednesday, also a win. That is a good thing about consistency. But now, we don't expect it to be win every time. But if you have it 80% of the time, we are good to go. $288 made. $7 made. 220 pounds made. $20 made, guys. You see? Wow, $1,700. Dio Demet. I mean, did I pronounce that well? I love that. That's huge. $27, $4, $5, $14. Guys, you need to post this in the group. Please, everyone should post screenshots. $7, $10 made, $3 made. Ifunaya, good one. Five what? Durex. Wow, good. $5,000 made. That's exactly what we're talking about. $5,000 made. That's Jifu, guys. You see, we're not playing when we tell you that Jifu is actually working. $55. Congrats to you as well, Zara. Guys, as you can see, A lot of money being made. Over 286 people being helped to make so much money. This is what we do in Jifu. Now, if you're still out there thinking we're playing, we're not playing. As you can see how much money that was being made today. If you want to see what I'm talking about, you see $55 made. You see that? $171 made. You can put that in Naira. You know what that means. You better join now. You're missing out. You're missing out. In fact, someone actually made $5,000. Someone made $200. I mean, lots of money made. That's what we do. The mentor Ismail is signing out.